Here we're facing the limit as x goes to negative infinity of a polynomial divided by a polynomial. Now there are rules for how to handle limit as x goes to infinity or negative infinity of polynomial divided by a polynomial. And those rules are off here to the right. When you have a bigger degree on top, your answer is either infinity or negative infinity, and here are the other rules down below. We don't really need these other two rules because in this instance, the degree on top is 4 while the degree on the bottom is 3, so it is bigger on top than on the bottom. What I want to address now is plugging in negative infinity. Now plugging in negative infinity isn't something you're allowed to do, but you want to ascertain which infinity is it going to be. Is it going to be positive infinity in this case, or is it going to be negative infinity? That will all determine on the sign we get when we plug in negative infinity. So if I were to take a very large negative number and plug it in for x, bear in mind that it's being raised to the 4th power, which is an even number. We all know that when we take a negative number and raise it to an even power, that number becomes positive. So in this case, a really big negative number being raised to the 4th power will become positive, but don't forget, there's still a negative of 4 out in front of it. So we have a negative on the top. On the bottom, we have negative infinity going in for x, or a really big negative number going in for x. When a really big negative number goes in for x and you cube it, that negative sticks around. So if I say negative 1 cubed, the negative does not go away. So a negative number raised to a 3rd power stays negative, and there's a plus 5 multiplied by that out in front. So plus 5 times a negative number gives me another negative number. 2 wrongs don't make it right, but 2 negatives when divided make a positive. So this is going to be positive infinity.